I'm going to show you the exact plan I'd follow for the next 30 days to go from $0 to $500 a day selling digital products. Even if I had no experience, no audience, and was starting completely from scratch. And if you're skeptical, here's some proof. I've made over $2.6 million in profit selling high-ticket digital products on Shopify. This isn't luck. It comes down to a simple 5-step system that I'm about to walk you through so you can start seeing results as soon as today. Now, to put things in perspective, to make $500 a day, you only need to sell 2 digital products at $250 or just 1 product at $500. That's it. And I promise it's a lot simpler than it sounds. If you can just get 1 to 2 customers per day, you're set. And this 5-step plan will show you exactly how to do that. Before we even create your digital product, you need a place to sell it. And the fastest way to do that is by setting up a stand store. This is your digital product storefront. It's where your customers will go to buy once you're ready to launch. Setting it up takes less than 30 minutes and you don't need to know anything about coding or websites. It's literally drag, drop, and done. Just to give you a quick visual inside my own stand store, I just click My Store, hit Add Product, choose Digital Product, write a quick description with AI, set the price, upload the digital product, and that's it. Super simple. Even if you're starting from scratch, having your store ready ahead of time gives you momentum. So go ahead and set it up. I left the link in the description so you can try it out for free. We'll come back to Stand Store later in the video so I can show you exactly how I customized mine step by step. Next, let's talk about what you're actually going to sell. Remember, our goal is to make $500 a day. That means we're aiming for a high ticket product, which is something you can sell for $200 to $500. So you only need 1 to 2 buyers a day to hit your goal. The best product to start with is an online course that solves a real problem. People are more than willing to pay $200, $300, or even $500 if your course helps them fix something they're struggling with. So here's what to do next. Think about a problem you've solved in your own life, something you figured out that other people still struggle with. You don't need to be an expert or have a huge following. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. For example, if you lost weight and kept it off, you can teach that. If you figured out how to make money with a side hustle, you can package that up. If you're good at skincare, relationships, organizing, content creation, anything, there's a digital product you can build around that. Remember, you're not just selling information, you're helping people solve major problems in their life. That's what people are willing to pay a lot of money for. So here's your action step. Open a Google Doc and write down these 2 things: the niche or topic you want to focus on and the specific problem you'll help people solve in that niche. Now, before you start building your product, let's actually make sure it's something people are willing to spend $200 to $500 on. This step is all about validation, so you don't waste your time creating something that's hard to sell. Here are 2 quick ways to confirm your idea has high ticket potential. So first, research the competition on YouTube, Insta, and TikTok. Look for people selling similar digital products. Are they charging $100, $300? If others are making money in that space, it means there's proven demand and you can absolutely do the same. Next, you can also use ChatGPT to test your offer. So you can literally ask, can you help me come up with a digital product offer around your topic that solves your problem? Make sure it's valuable enough to be sold at $300 to $500. ChatGPT will then give you a solid framework to package your idea into a high value offer. For example, let's say you lost 30 pounds without counting calories. You could ask ChatGPT to help you turn that into a $300 course teaching your exact method with your lessons on your routine, mindset shifts, meal plan, and how to stay consistent. That's a digital product people would gladly pay for because it solves a real problem. Now, just make sure you've clearly identified what your digital product is and the problem it's solving. For example, I'm selling a $300 course that helps people lose weight without counting calories. I'm creating a $500 course that teaches beginners how to start a side hustle using AI tools, or I'm selling a $400 course that teaches students how to budget, save money, and build credit. Just keep it simple, specific, and focused on solving one clear problem. That's what makes a product valuable. Now let's dive into how to actually create your course. The first step is to map out a simple simple outline and script your lessons. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. To get started fast, type this exact prompt into ChatGPT. I want to create a digital course for your niche that helps people solve a specific problem. Can you outline the course into 4 to 6 modules, each with 3 to 5 lessons? Please keep it beginner friendly, step by step, and focused on delivering a clear transformation. ChatGPT will then instantly give you a clean structure to follow. Each module should focus on one main phase of the transformation. And within each module, your lessons will walk through the exact steps someone needs to take. Once your outline is ready, start scripting your lessons. You can use ChatGPT here too. Just ask, can you help me write a video script for module 1, lesson 1 based on this outline? And boom, you'll have the entire lesson ready to go. So you can use ChatGPT to script each lesson for you, which will be a great starting point. However, make sure you tweak it with your own insights and experience. Once your course is fully scripted, it's time to bring it to life. This is where you record your lessons and get everything ready to upload to your Stan Store. Start by creating simple slides using Canva, Keynote, or Google Slides. Here's all you need on your slides. Just clear headlines, bullet points, optional visuals, or screenshots to help explain concepts. Now this definitely takes a lot of time, so if you're lazy like me and want something that's quick, you can use Gamma. Gamma is a presentation tool that helps turn your course scripts into clean, beautiful slide decks instantly. It's powered by AI, so you can literally paste your lesson script and Gamma auto-generates stunning slides for you. It definitely saves you a lot of time, and you can try it for free using the link in the description. Now, once your slides are ready, it's time to record each lesson. I recommend using Loom so you can screen record while walking through your presentation with your face in the corner to make it feel more personal. But if you'd rather stay faceless, no worries. You can simply do a voiceover without showing your face. I've already shared a lot with you and there's more to come, but you might be wondering, how do I actually make this work for me? Well, if you're serious about building a profitable digital product business, I highly recommend joining my coaching program. Just imagine where you could be in 90 days from now if you had the exact strategies I've used to scale past $50,000 per month, selling simple digital products, step-by-step guidance from me and my team so you never feel stuck or overwhelmed, a private community of focused, driven creators on the same path as you. Now, I only work with serious people who want to scale and are ready to take action. If that's you, click the first link in the description and apply now. Now, moving on, once you've filmed your lessons, it's time to actually upload your digital product and get your Stan Store ready to take sales. Here's how to do it. Come to my store, then add product, then e-course. Here you can add the title and button label. You can use what I put as a reference. Then you can choose an image. Then at the checkout page, add another image, short description that explains what the course helps them achieve. Then set your price. I'd say again, aim for 200 to 500. And remember, 1 to 2 sales a day can make you $500. And make any changes you'd like as well. Then come to your course, and here you can add the modules and upload each course lesson so it stays nice and organized. I love this because Stan delivers the entire course in an organized way when the customer purchases, so you don't need to worry about sending out every single course to someone when they purchase via email. Now, once you've uploaded everything, you can click on options and also add a bunch of other cool features here, and once everything looks good, just publish your course and you're ready to start selling. I do recommend playing around with your Stan Store a bit more. You can add other links if you want, like your social media, a freebie, or a lead magnet. You can customize your profile photo and banner, update your username, and make the whole store feel more like you. These little touches, help you build trust and make your store look more polished and professional. And if you use my link in the description, you can try out Stan Store completely free. Once your digital product is uploaded and your Stan Store is ready, that's when the real game begins, marketing. And first, I want to talk about email marketing because most beginners skip this completely, which is a huge mistake. Emails can make you so much money, and it's one of the easiest ways to build trust and drive consistent sales. Email marketing is just collecting emails from people who are interested in your niche and then sending them helpful content, tips, and product links straight to their inbox. So now let me show you exactly how to set up email marketing inside your Stan Store. How it works is we're going to first create a freebie, then start collecting emails automatically and set up a welcome email sequence all in under 10 minutes. So let's start. First, I want you to go to your Stan dashboard and click Add Product, then choose Collect Emails. Now click on Product, then upload something simple and valuable. This could be a free guide, a checklist, a Notion template, whatever would attract the right people for your paid offer. And you could ask ChatGPT to create a freebie for you if you like. Then click on Thumbnail. Here, just give it a clear title, subtitle, button label, save. Every time someone downloads your freebie, their email will be automatically collected right here under the Customers tab. Next, click on More, then Email Flows, then Add Flow. Here, name it Welcome Email, then select your freebie that you created here. Now here we can write a quick welcome email, so click Add Email. If you're not sure what to write, I recommend using ChatGPT to help you get started. Here's a prompt you can copy and paste. I'm building a welcome email for people who download my free name of your freebie. Can you write an email that thanks them, gives one helpful tip, and then introduces my name of paid product as the next step while sounding friendly and non-pushy? ChatGPT will give you a solid first draft you can tweak to match your voice. It should also give you a subject line, but if not, you can ask it to. Once you're happy with it, just click save, and this email will now go out automatically every time someone downloads your freebie. I recommend sending out a few more emails to this welcome sequence as well. For example, day 2, you can share a personal story related to your course. Day 3, you can teach something valuable, then link your product. And again, you can use ChatGPT to help you write them, and you can just add them here where it says add email and choose which time they go out, which can be after 24 hours. And the third can be maybe after 48 hours. Now, I also recommend sending out 2 value-packed emails every week to your audience. The goal is to educate, build trust, and gently position your digital product as the natural next step. Now, don't overthink it. These emails don't have to be long or complicated. Just share tips, insights, personal stories, or common mistakes people make in your niche. And at the end, tie it back to how your product helps solve that problem. To make this even easier, you can use ChatGPT to help write your weekly emails. Here's a prompt you can use. I'm selling a digital product that helps people with insert problem. Can you write 2 weekly emails that share one helpful tip, build trust, and naturally promote my product at the end? Now, in order to send out your email, just come to More, Email, Flows, Broadcast, Send Email. And now you can send all your weekly emails right here. Now, email marketing is great, but that's just one part of marketing. We now need to go over creating content to promote your digital products and grow your email newsletter. Now, the easiest kind of content to create is short form videos on Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. The fastest way to come up with content, just use ChatGPT, type in this prompt. I'm selling a type of product that helps people with pain point. What are some high converting content ideas I can create to build trust and drive sales? You'll get a list of solid ideas instantly. You can even follow up and say, can you script these out for TikTok or Reels? And boom, done. But don't stop there. Another powerful strategy is studying what's already working. Go look at other creators in your niche who are selling digital products. Scroll through their content and ask yourself, what's their best performing video? What pain points are they hitting? How are they building trust? If something's blowing up and you know you could add your own spin to it, save it. I recommend keeping a Google Doc just for inspiration. Anytime you see a great video, drop the link in there. That way you always have content ideas ready to go. Personally, I still do this every week. Scroll, study, and save. And then I take what's working and remake it with my own voice and story. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude also help when I'm stuck. Sometimes I literally ask, give me content ideas similar to what you'd see on insert niche creator, and just instantly I get fresh inspiration. But the truth is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to make content that helps your audience and leads naturally to your product. I've dedicated an entire section of the content creation coaching program to showing you exactly how to market and sell your digital product. If that's something you want help with, the link is in the description. Now that you understand how to come up with content ideas, I want to go over creating the actual content. If you don't want to show your face, that's totally fine. Here are a few easy options. First, in Video AI, just describe the video you want and it'll generate a fully edited short video with stock clips, music, and captions in under 2 minutes. CapCut or iMovie are also great if you just want more control. You can just edit using, stock footage, screen recordings, or voiceovers without ever showing your face. And some creators will just even record their own content and just crop out their face. Super effective if you want a personal feel without being fully on camera. Now, if you do want to be the face of your brand, your content can be as simple as recording on your iPhone. No fancy setup needed. Talk to the camera or film some lifestyle B-roll while you add a voiceover or captions. You can edit directly inside the TikTok or Instagram app or use CapCut if you want a cleaner finish. The key is to just start, post, who cares if it's messy, it's fine. You'll get better as you go. Most beginners focus only on Instagram and TikTok when they start, but honestly, everyone is sleeping on Pinterest and YouTube. In fact, I'd say 70% of my sales come from just those two platforms. That's why I put together a full step-by-step tutorial for both. You can check out the full Pinterest tutorial, it's linked in the description, and I also linked my complete YouTube tutorial if you want to learn how to grow and monetize long-form content the right way. I know getting started with digital products can feel overwhelming, especially if you have no audience, no tech skills, and no idea where to start. That's why I created the content creation coaching program to walk you through every step of building a profitable digital product business from scratch. Inside, I share the exact blueprint I've used to scale to over $50,000 a month, all by selling digital products that solve real problems. You'll learn how to choose the right product idea, package it, price it, and market it. Plus, you'll have my personal support to guide you the entire way. My goal is to help you hit consistent $10,000 months, then scale to six figures and beyond. This is a rare opportunity to work with me directly and fast track your success with digital products. If you're ready, click the first link in the description to join the coaching program, and I look forward to working with you.